Hello beautiful humans, it's Angelica and I am back for this 2021. Let's just be sincere, 2020 really sucked. It consisted of gaining a few pounds, lounging every day, wearing sweats
24/7.
If I'm being honest, I'm wearing my PJ pants right now. So it's kind of carrying on into 2021. Before I left on my trip, I was just like,
no, this year needs to be different. I need to be more productive, get my goals in place. What do I want to do with my life?
Kind of an existential crisis. So I thought maybe we can DIY an agenda together, like you and I, me and you know, craft together, just like old times. So before I went on my trip, I bought a few things. I went to the Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart, and Michael's. So without further ado, let's get on into it. As you can see, I got 2 baggies of goodies. We are starting with Michael's. So I always found washi tape to not make sense to me. What's the point of washi tape? I just feel like it'll add that extra touch whenever I'm making my agenda. So I grabbed this pack of washies and it was only $1. It was on super clearance at Michael's. So everything that you'll see in this video, it was either from the Dollar Tree, so it's only $1.
Obviously.
Or from the clearance section from one of these stores. I thought it was super cute. Anyway, this was like, I think it was 50 cents. I guess they were discontinuing this brand from Michael's because that whole brand was on clearance. Look at this little guy. It's basically to wrap your washi tape so you don't have a bunch of rolls that you don't know where to store really because they take up a lot of space. Obviously, you can get an old gift card. It was just 50 cents, so that's why I thought it was super. This little guy just got me. He got me, guys. See? It was all this brand. These little sticky notes were so cute. So I'm gonna make a whole page on my agenda and just stick these on. I have ideas and we will walk through this together. Let me cover up the price because you're going to be shocked. So all of these little jelly stamps and little banners. On the second page you have all these little stencils and look at this shebang. It was $3.49. Would I spend $4 on some stamps? Absolutely not. Oh, it's a little checklist listy and it says get it done. I just find satisfaction in writing out my list. I'm more productive when I write things down and just cross them out and just feeling that.
It just gets me.
I just got 2 things at Target and I go to the Target dollar spot. I found this little sticker pack which was a doll head. Look, nice to eat you.
That's me in a sticker basically.
I've been seeing a lot of decorative paper clips that stick out of agendas at the top. If I can have like one of these sticking out, like nice to eat you, just brings personality, you know?
Personality.
And then we got this stamp and it came with a little gold sparkly pad. So that was all I got at Target. Sorry, Target. Moving on to Walmart. I got these. So Walmart has this brand called Pen and Gear. They have a lot of planner stuff going on and it was just 25 cents. What else did I, oh, here it is. So it's that same brand. They had the cutest stickers and each one of these were $1. Like look at, I love the pastel colorings, the gold foiling, and this one had like numbers and bullets and envelopes. Wait, does this actually bring 4? It brings 4 sheets of stickers, dude. Like, oh my god. That is insane. This costs $1. I love Dollar Tree, but these look so much nicer than the Dollar Tree ones, which also cost $1. And then last but not least, I knew I was going to be hole punching a lot, so I found this hole puncher. It does 20 sheets at a time and it was also on clearance, guys. It was only $7. one. At Dollar Tree I can find a hole puncher, but it's going to be like those really flimsy ones. It probably cuts through maybe 5 papers max, so
this bad boy is gonna get the job done.
we're ending with Dollar Tree products. So I got this binder. I love the blue coloring. The only bad part is that it doesn't have pockets. We are going to
updo this binder.
You will see how I use it in my upcoming video. These are the stickers I am talking about. They're cute. Walmart ones just look more aesthetically pleasing. I got some rulers, some paper clips. This scoring tool, this is to leave a indented crease, so to speak. If you hear my dog in the back, I am so sorry. He is like clearing his throat right now. Washi tapes. They're a lot thinner than the ones I got at Michael's, but I thought they were just as cute as well. I got these little tabs for the edges of some of the pages I want to highlight. I saw gel pens at the Dollar Tree and it just
transported me back to my childhood.
And then I got these sheet grippers. It comes with elastic. I was just like, oh, well, I can just use this elastic and it'll just be for my pen holder thing on the side. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'm wishing each and every one of you the best vibes for this 2021. Come on, Buzzy. Let's do our sign off. Keep it crafty, everyone. Bye.